Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside Laminate Parquet repair kit. 3 years warranty from Lidl for touching up laminate, cork, parquet and wood and plastic surfaces. Ideal for quick, easy and clean repairs. It's nice. We've got 2 A batteries included inside. Okay. Manual is inside, and again, if you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me. I'm gonna find out all about that. Well, included we can see the batteries. Next we have the wax melter, on-off switch. Here goes the batteries. The wax melter tip, red LED, cleaning scraper, scraper with a planer function, scraper with a curvature, we have a sanding sponge and a cleaning cloth. So let's install the batteries. Nice soft grip here. And next we have 11 colors that you can work with that, and definitely you can find a wood that it matches to these colors. Of course you can make a color mixing chart, or marble, birch, lamby, pine medium, alder medium, finish, beach dark, mahogany light, mahogany dark. Into the instructions you can see what color you can mix to have the result that you want. Well, of course, now we're going to test it to see how it works. Okay, we've got this laminate and it has a problem here, and it's the right time to fix it. Well, now from this palette of colors, I think I will choose the B that is closer to this wood, or you can start with a lighter and then you can change it. It depends what it will be the result. Well, let's start with this C. Now I'm going to warm it up. Okay, that is fast, and you can see how it's melting. There it is. Trying to put a little bit here, not too much. Yeah, we need more. We need to fill the gaps in the middle. I think the color is very close to the original. Okay, going to leave it to dry. Going to test it with our finger. It's quite dry. And let's try to scrub it a little bit. just to make it equal with the other surface. You can take the other one and see if it's quite in the same height, and scratch it a little bit. Wow, the results are very nice. Then you can take this and again you can check it for any problems. I think it's perfect. And there we are. Can you see the differences? A little bit. Maybe if I was using the other color, it will be more darker. Well, for me, the results is perfect. I'm not going to need to change all my furniture. I will repair my furniture with no more than 10 euros that it cost all this unit. Yes, 10 euros with all that included inside. Results is very good. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future come and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice, lovely day. Bye-bye.